Five dice were thrown 96 times and the numbers 1, 2 or 3 appearing on the face of the dice follows the frequency distribution as below. Write down the table. Number of dice showing 1, 2 or 3. Next line, frequency. Values 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Frequency 7, 19, 35, 24, 8, 3. Test the hypothesis that the data follows a binomial distribution. Follows a binomial distribution. Here they will give the chi-square value 0.05 is equal to 11.07 for 5 degree of freedom. Here DF means 5 degree of freedom. First, to find out the answer, first we have to know that in the dice how many values will be there. So as we know in the dice that we will call as a probability of a single dice throwing one, 2, 3. 1, 2 or 3, that is equal to P. So in the dice totally we have 6 numbers. In that 3 already they have given. So 3 divided by 6, that is 1 by 2. In the probability distribution we know the formula P plus Q is equal to 1. So here already we found the P value. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, that is 1 minus 1 by 2. We get 1 by 2. Next, the binomial distribution of fitness is n into q plus p whole power n. So here capital N means how many times they have given, that is 96. Q value is 1 by 2 plus P value is 1 by 2. Whole power N value is 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, because they have given here 5 dice. 5 dice they were given. So in the dice the value starts from 1. So we will take here 5 dice were thrown. 96 will be the capital N. Now next, that this is the theoretical frequency they are already given. We have to find out the expected frequency. Right, the theoretical frequencies of getting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 success with 5 dice are respectively the successive terms of the binomial expression. First, here we can write they are 96 into, here we have to use the binomial distribution formula. Okay. We can use P of x is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x, n is equal to 5. So frequency we have to find out. So 96 into 5 CX, P value is 1 by 2 whole power x, Q value is 1 by 2 whole power 5 minus x. This is the terms how we have to find out the expected frequency. Yes, here first we have to find out the expected frequency. So I write here x value f of 5 in the table, number of dice throwing 1, 2 or 3. In that 96 into 5C5, again here when base are same you can add or subtract the power, x plus 5 minus x, x will get cancelled. 96 into 5C5. What is the value of 5C5? What is the formula? What is the NCR formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So n factorial is 5 factorial divided by 0 factorial is 1 into 5 factorial. So 5 will get cancelled. We get 1 into 1 by 2 power 5. So 96 divided by 2 power 5. 96 divided by 32. 3. Next, f of 4. 96 into 5C4 divided by 2 power 5. So again 96 by 32, I will write directly 3 into 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 4. 1 factorial into 4 factorial. So we get 15. F of 3. 96 into 5C3 divided by 2 power 5. 3 into 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Very good, 30. Next, f of 2. Again 96 by 32 is 3. I write directly into 5c2. 3 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. 5 minus 2, 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Yes, the value is 30. Next, f of 1. 3 into 5c1. 3 into 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 1 factorial. So we get 15. F of 0. 3 into 5c0. 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 0 factorial. The value is 3. Now, we have to write a table. This is the observed frequency. Already they have mentioned in the question. That is 7, 19, 35, 24, 8, 3. Expected frequency 3, 15, 30, 30, 15, 3. Now, after writing this table, we have to write the chi-square formula, that is sum of observed frequency minus expected frequency whole square divided by expected frequency. So first 7 minus 3, 4. 4 whole square means 16 divided by 3 plus 19 minus 15, 4 square. 4 square is 16 divided by 15 plus 35 minus 30, 5. 5 whole square means 25 divided by 30 plus 24 minus 30 minus 6. Minus 6 whole square is 36 divided by 30 plus 8 minus 15. So we get 7 minus 7. Minus 7 whole square is 49 divided by 15. Again 3 minus 3, 0. 0 divided by 3. The last term we get 0. 11.5. Okay, 11.5. This is the chi-square value. But you can see in the question they have defined the degree of the freedom is 11.07. So this 11.5 is greater than chi-square value 0.05 is equal to 11.07. So as it is a greater than this number, we will reject this hypothesis. Therefore, the hypothesis that the data follows a binomial distribution is rejected. If it is less than this number, what they have given in the degree of the question, degree of the freedom, then we will, if it is less than, we will accept. If it is greater than, we will reject that particular data. Are tossed 100 times and the following results were obtained. Fit a binomial distribution for the data and test the goodness of fit. Yeah, they have given the chi-square value at 0.05 is equal to 9.49 for 4th degree of freedom. So here the table, number of heads, here frequency 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 29, 36, 25, 5. Here also, first we have to write the value. Yes, when you add this frequency, we have to get 100 because whatever they have given in the question, sometimes not in the first question as I told, but here when you add this frequency, it must be equal to how many number of times they have given in the question. So here also we have to find out the value. First, mean, binomial, mean is equal to summation of f into frequency into x divided by sum of f. So 0 into 5, 0 plus 29 plus 72 plus 75 plus 20 divided by sum of the frequency. We get 100. 1.96. The binomial distribution mu formula is n into p. Here we know the mu value 1.96 is equal to n value is 4 into p. So yes, 0.49. Once we find out the p value, q is equal to 1 minus p. So 1 minus 0.49, that is equal to 0.51. After finding this, again we have to apply in the p of x formula, that is ncx p power x q power n minus x. So n value is 4cx, p value 0.49 whole power x, 0.51 whole power n minus, n value is 4 minus x. Now, to find out the frequency is equal to number of times 100 into p of x. So first value in the table, that is f of 0. So 100 into 4c0, 0.49 whole power 0, 0.51 whole power 4. Find 765. Approximation we can take here 7. Approximation value we have to take is 25.999. We can approximation we can take 26. Next f of 2 37.47, approximation 37. Next 24.39, approximation 24. Last one 5.76, approximation we can write 6. Now after finding out this expected frequency, we have to reframe the table. Keep it in your mind that at the last substitution in the chi-square formula, if the number, if it is greater than 9.49, then we will reject. If the number of the chi-square, if it is within the 9.49, then we can consider it the fitness is good, and that can be accepted only if the value of the chi-square should be less than this number, whatever they have given in the problem, that is degree of the freedom. Now we have to frame the table, observed frequency with the expected frequency. Here observed frequency, here expected frequency. Observed means whatever they have given in the question, that is 5, 29, 36, 25, 5. Expected means according to the binomial distribution formula, that is 7, 26, 37, 24, 6. Now, chi-square formula is sum of observed frequency minus expected frequency divided by expected frequency. 5 minus 7, 2. Sorry, how good, sorry. Yes. Penny, yes, sir. Penny. Yes, 5 minus 7 minus 2. Minus 2 whole square means 4 divided by 7. 29 minus 6, 3. 3 whole square means 9 divided by 26 plus 36 minus 37 is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1 divided by 37 plus again 25 minus 24 is 1. 1 square is 1 divided by 24 plus 1 divided by 6. Find out the point. 1,5. So the chi-square value, what they have given in the question, 1.15, that value is less than chi-square of 0.05, that is 9.49. Therefore, the hypothesis that the fitness is good. If it is less than the given number, then the fitness will be good and we accept that hypothesis can be accepted. Fit a Poisson distribution. Till now we have done with the problems under the binomial. Now Poisson distribution. Fit a Poisson distribution for the following data. And test the goodness of fit given that chi-square of 0.05, that is equal to 7.815 for 3 degree of freedom. Here x, f, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 122, 60, 15, 2, 1. Now we have to use the Poisson distribution method. So here we have to first find out the mu, that is equal to sum of frequency into x divided by sum of f. 0 into 122, 0, 60 plus 30 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 122, 60, 15, 2 plus 1, that is 200. So here we get 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 10, 100 divided by 2, we get 0.5. Now Poisson distribution probability function value is m power x e power minus m divided by x factorial. Here mu we can substitute in the form of m. So here we can write 0.5 whole power x e power minus 0.5 divided by x factorial. For finding out the expected frequency, right, f of x is equal to, what is the sum of the frequency we get here when you add the f sum of all the frequencies? We get 200. So 200, because in the question they didn't mention the number of times. So we have to add all the frequency values. 200 into 0 e power minus 0.5, value is 0.6065 into 0.5 whole power x divided by x factorial. When you multiply 200 into 0.6065, we get 121.3 into 0.5 whole power x divided by x factorial. Now we have to give the values for x. F of 0, first value. So 121 into 3, 0.5 whole power 0 is 1, divided by 0 factorial is 1. 121.3, approximate we get 121. Next. F of 121.3 into 0.5. 60.65, approximation we can write 61. In 0.1625, approximation we can write it as a 15. .527 approximation we can write 3. Next, last one. .315 approximation we can write it as a 0. So now we have to write the chi-square formula. Sum of observed frequency minus expected frequency whole square divided by expected frequency. 122 minus 121 is 1 divided by 121 plus 60 minus 61 is minus 1 whole square plus 1 divided by 61 plus 0. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 whole square is 1 divided by 3. Last one is 0. What is the 3571? Okay. This value is less than what they have given in the question. So chi-square of 0.05, that value is 7.815. Therefore, thus the hypothesis that the fitness is good can be accepted. Yes, if it is less than the value, the degree of freedom what they have asked in the question, then the fitness will be good and the hypothesis will be accepted. If it is greater than, then the fitness is not good, the hypothesis can be rejected.